Hey guys, Joe Renton here from Thinkaholics. We're out at Tahoe Dreamin'. I'm here with Micaiah Filkins, the President of Sales and Product for Chargent. So Micaiah, what can you tell everybody about what you guys do?
Yeah, thanks. So Chargent is the #1 payment processing application on the App Exchange. So we help a lot of our customers do billing. If they've got, say, a subscription product and they want to bill that customer every month or every quarter or year, whatever the billing frequency is, we can handle that with ease. And then we also have a number of developer tools. So we've got a PCI scope reducing API. So if you're in a product or in a project rather, where you need to be concerned about PCI, our apps can help you lower that scope as far as your team's going to need to be concerned about. And most of our customers are folks that are going to take a phone call and take a payment, or they want to send an invoice from Salesforce and take a payment. Those are typically the use cases we see most often with our product.
So in terms of, like the opportunity, quoting, order process, where do you guys come in at?
Yeah. So that's different for a lot of our customers, but we can come in as early as the quotation process. So somebody wants to take a deposit for a custom manufacturing job, or maybe they just want to get the payment source on file, they can do it at that point. Most of our customers, when it's time to sign the order form, they will collect a payment source from that customer as well. And then there are some that simply use us in the back office. So we'll do their subscription billing, their recurring billing for them, and handle all of that with our recurring billing engine that's built into Salesforce.
And are you guys like integrated with a Financial Force and things like that, or?
Yeah, we are actually. So we are integrated with Financial Force's accounting product. So do all of your invoicing there, and then we're a bolt-on that helps you take care of all the payment collections. And then also with their SCM product, supply chain management. And along those lines, we're also integrated with Accounting Seed. We're also integrated with POS Portal's P2 product. And we've got some other integrations coming as well, but Financial Force is certainly one of the most popular so far.
Okay, and so we definitely talked about the back office piece, right? Getting into their overall sales process. What about like front end stuff, like
Sure.
communities or things like that?
Yeah, I appreciate the question again. So yeah, with communities, we actually have one customer that has over 1 million community users using our product today. So they're actually using it to do tokenization and store all of that payment data securely with their gateway. So that's one way you could potentially use it. But we do work we work in both customer and partner communities. I suppose we would work in employee community if you needed us to. But we support all those models, and we've got a lot of customers in them too. We've probably about 25% of our customers today are using us on a community. We also do something we call payment request, which is you send somebody an email and say, hey, it's time to pay XYZ. They click a link, they go to a fully customizable web page that you've created using our open source details. We provide most of what you need to get that up and running. Basic visual force skills, you'll have it up in a few hours. That's payment request. And then we also have a full-fledged API. So we've got customers that have done full-blown integrations into Magento or other e-commerce platforms. And so when it comes time to check out, you actually check out on a Chargent page. So that's our API, and that is an extension of the Salesforce API. So you could really use any language you want to connect to that.
Okay, so we're talking about front end stuff, right? Yeah. So going back to talking about PCI, especially for people that may not be familiar with what that is,
Sure.
like where's the importance there? How does that tie into everything?
Right, so PCI is basically a collection of best practices in the payments industry that everybody should pay attention to help minimize your security risk at a fairly vague or a fairly high-level way to look at it. Now, your bigger customers are basically required by Visa and MasterCard to be PCI compliant. Most of us smaller shops, we definitely should be paying attention to PCI, but it's not an absolute positive requirement that we get fully PCI certified. So anybody that's been through the process knows it's fairly painful. You have to go through and look at every place where you may store cards or cards may come in contact with humans, databases, any computer system, and then follow all the process that are the best practices that the PCI Council has defined. So it's a pretty complicated, I like to say it's a pretty complicated topic, but it becomes much more simple when you're not storing the card in the database, so you're not actually storing the card number in Salesforce, and our solution helps you do that. So we leverage tokenization, we will tokenize on the fly, and things like that to help you minimize your PCI scope.
Okay. All right, so if people want to try this out, what should they do?
Yeah, so you can go to our website at appfrontier.com and install Chargent from there to get a trial. You're also welcome to give us a call. Our number's on our website. We'd love to have a chat with you. And that's basically it. Install the free trial and give us a call if there's anything we can do to help.
Okay. All right. Well, Makai, thanks for your time.
We appreciate being here. Thanks so much.